case, guys. You all know Moss. You saw the show last week. You saw what transpired. Guys, I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to leave, and I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to stay. Ring and day. Guys, what my man did was despicable. It was gross misconduct against him no sisilo bekeze kwishow. Mawayeka amadoda lento abayenzayo ukuthi they don't fully close umnyango abaphuma kuwe before bevula olandelayo. It's grossly wrong. It's grossly wrong, guys. Mabayeke, look at the mess esikuyo ngoku. With that said, I think there's no question about uthando lwakhe for mna. Absolutely no question about Lona. But what's making me gravitate towards ukumshiya, ndobana I feel as though we're building on a shaky ground, on a shaky foundation. Our start was very messy, and indenza ndingakwazi ukudecide ukuthi what's gonna be best for us. And ndininike i-inside info ngam nobhuti so that nani eyona decision ibe lula, ne? Okay, ubhuti wa-confessa kum before the episode izono zakhe wacela uxolo. Ndadecide ukumxolela and maybe decision yam ufuna ukundijaja ngandijaja, it's fine. Also in the episode end, he picked up the phone wafonela abazali bam, or rather ifamily yam, wabaxalela ukuthi wenze wrong, wacela uxolo, wa-engage nabo. That's point number one. Point number two, this is a provider. Since meeting him, basically, I do not know ukuthi mali yam ndiyenzani. I don't know. Salary yam. He provides for everything endlini. Also nam uyandi nakekela yabo. Like guys, imali yam nje seyaba yam andisayazi noma ndiyenzani. Ubhuti akaso stratmate. Guys, ubhuti akananyawo elirhawuzelelayo. Elithi hamba uye banganini, hamba uye bumnandini. Ubhuti akangumntu wobumnandi. Surprise, as much as DJ akabuthanda ubumnandi. He only goes out like in a gig. Kulo gig uphofu ufuna unelise cangwakhe. So I'm not dealing with indoda mna that comes back in the AMs and all of that. I don't have such problems. Or indoda enshiya ebumnandini or kubangani. I don't have such problems. Wenze mna umngani wakhe sihlala phansi ndisele brutalium asaliyeka yakhe sihlale phansi sothi sibukele iTV sibhorana kuba siyabhorana. Guys, ubhuti as well, communication yakhe andifuna ukunixokisa. It's on another level. 95% of the time ndiyamazi mna ukuthi umyeni wam uphi, wenzani and why. Uyaripota kubhuti oripotayo, guys. Zange ndimcele uzenzele ngokunokwakhe. Ubhuti lo ngumuntu othi if I tell him that bhuti I don't like 1 2 3 4, he fixes it immediately almost, because he knows ukuthi a happy wife equals a happy marriage. Yes, there's a saying in Xhosa ethi umuntu unesiphatho. Unesiphatho bhuthemba, guys. Oh, guys, one last thing, ne? So, I never lost myself in the relationship or marriage. I stayed true to myself, and true to myself is unelis mtakathixo, unelis prayer warrior. Sana, ubhudiza, unjoinile. Okay, fine. At first, ndiloko ndimncanga. Ngoku nguye othi nkata mina phantsi edolweni asithandaze. So, it's what I've always wanted. A union based on God. Now, this is the funny part of everything. It's like ubumbogoto kunelisa out the door. Like ndingumatefa andimtefile guys ukuthi abantu sisono funeke ndibanjwe for that. Andisakwazi ukuvula anything, andisakwazi ukulifta anything, andisakwazi kwenza anything funeka yena yenze. And I think he enjoys it. But guys, here's a secret. Akadef. Guys, akakwazi ukulala ngaphandle kwami. Even when I've got work, like when I want to work till late, I must get into bed first.
You know, we may say a lot about how Unelisa is so delusional, how Unelisa needs to move out or step out of that relationship before it's too late. But I do not know whether he's into us builder, because one thing I've noticed about Unelisa, she chooses not to see ama-red flags but izinto ezinhle engathi uyazi-overpraise, which is normal for someone who's in love. Because umshado wabo is still new, guys, ne? But one thing futhi I've noticed about uThemba that uSponono said and Nelson is saying now is that uThemba akawathanda amantombazane, which is a win to a lot of women, guys. Which is a win. We all want indoda engawathanda amantombazane, even if you are not married. A boyfriend engawathanda amantombazane in nowadays is a win because amadoda now they've made, or futhi not the society has made cheating a good thing for indoda. You'll hear umuntu athi ayikho indoda enomuntu oyi-one, which is bullshit for me, guys, which is something that is unacceptable, but society has made it to be unacceptable. And now siphila emhlabeni onezifo. Imagine now getting someone who's not cheating. He's a DJ, but he's not a cheater. Ushiwo noSponono ukuthi kule 8 years or how many years abahleli bethu, he has never cheated on him. Yingakho ambelievile makathi destroy another woman's future. Because for me, guys, I wanna lie, as much as uSponono a victim in this thing, but uNelisa we victim in this thing. You know why? Because when umyeni wakho uphuma endlini wakutshela wathi, you know what, I'm going with that show and ngizodlala ngama-feelings omunye umuntu who deeply wants umshado. Omunye umuntu othathe konke kwakhe akubeka eceleni wena decide kuya on television so that azothola umyeni. Umuntu who doesn't believe the street uzokwazi ukuzitholela umyeni but believes on the aspect. If icinga labo lihambe kahle, that means uThemba ngabe useshowini destroyed, bekuzoba i-situation yakaThepo and uPalisa. You understand? uPalisa went there to waste isikhathi sakhe. They paid her nomuntu very selfish, very arrogant, and you could see ukuthi uThepo didn't want anything to do with Palisa because uThepo abazali bakhe they have never met uPalisa. Abangani bakhe they have never met uPalisa. So Palisa, that means bakule relationship alone. Yeah, understand? So if uThepo ngathi uze la just to be a celebrity or just to be well known to improve a career, I'll believe you guys, because at first they were right. I'm not saying uPalisa akanama mistake wakhe, but uThepo is showing ukuthi I do not want to fix this thing and ngidone ngawe. So it's winning from being in love and to being done. You understand? That means all along uThepo bekadlala uPalisa, and all along this thing was just a game kuye. You understand? So izinto uNelisa shil I mean like uNelisa zangaza athume unto. uNelisa zangathume the guy ukuthi aye lapha. uSponono uvumele the guy to go there. So us saying uNelisa selfish towards uSponono, it's us being selfish towards uNelisa. Let's just be honest. Mina I for one I'm saying uNelisa should mabufuna ubona ama-reflex makaphume kule ndoda, because le ndoda could do and will do anything for ifemi yakhe and career yakhe, not because of ngicabangela uSponono. uSponono subscribe for this thing, guys. Yabo the moment this thing is fine nokuthi uhleli with an unemployed man, maybe ufundile, then you decide with your man, or maybe uhleli with an employed man, maybe good junior position emsebenzini, then the manager of the company he's working for umfazi, mhlambe umfazi unganamshado unganandoda, a lonely wife, yeah, I know, a lonely woman, sorry. Then when anondoda yakho niyavumelana ukuthi use that woman, lala nale mfazi or jola nale mfazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukukhuphuka. Wena as a woman, what kind of a woman are you? When as a woman, let's just be honest, guys. When as a woman, what kind of a woman are you? So when anendoda yakho you're plotting to destroy omunye umfazi, udlala ngama-feelings omunye umuntu. You know ukuthi abantu mabahlukana nabantu, this situation or the nje yonke lento, look at imenzeni uPalisa. Look at uPalisa uphume waba umuntu onjani. So uNelisa wabanga kanjani, and uNelisa being soft-hearted, you could see ukuthi she's delusional. Ngabe this thing iphume ngalendlela they planned uSponono nomuntu wakhe. Ngabe uNelisa manje ngiyanitshelisa isibhedlela sabantu abangekho right. Ngabe uNelisa uphuza amapilisi we-depression. So when as a woman or when as a wife, you are plotting with your husband to destroy another woman's future, to ukudlala ngemizwa yomunye umntwana, because immediately uNelisa makazothanda ubongani unto the guy nithi ubani uThemba deeply, ubongani amthande deeply bese only to find out uThemba bekamuse all this thing, you won't know ukuthi beyizomenzani lento leyo. We could just imagine, but we are not even sure ukuthi beyizomenzani. Bengamdestroy impilo yakhe yonke. Bekazosibona mhlambe as a failure ukuthi indlela umshado ungangifanele ngakhona ungidlule noma sengiye TV. sebangifunela umuntu ubona ukuthi ngcono angidlale, so that means mina amadoda engizothandana nazo ngidlala. Uyayibona yonke le nto leyo. I do feel as if uneliswa if ukhuluma iqiniso about uThemba. I'm happy for her, but I think kumele ake abheka ama red flags, and also abe more open, angazikhohlisi, abe more open ngezinto ezenzakalayo relationship yakhe. And I think kumele banethemba consider itherapy. Maybe uThemba vele sakafuna ukubuilda noNelisa. Yes, uThemba may started this thing mhlambe as a way ukhuphuka emshadweni. And ecabanga uSiponelo noThemba, uSiponelo amanye amantombazana acabanga ngendlela. Yes, she was young makahlangana noThemba, but she's not young now. uSiponelo noThemba bathi makayofuna i-career, aye entweni, aye ku-married at first sight. Sinamashow engakhe ngabe uyile ku-Date My Family. I-Date My Family awudlala ngabantu bakangaya lapha afike lapha abufana nala bhutile wetafula ari umpusa koloyi mara bona akithweri dijo di matso awunatafula. Bangayenza kanjalo bekazotrenda abe too dramatic ku-Date My Family. Bakangaya ku-Big Brother. That is the best that is the best into platform in the whole continent ukuthi ube famous. Bakangaya ku other shows, not this one, guys. Not this one ukuthi uyopheka nomuntu nishade. No. Why bangahanga kule yana yabo Munaka Love Iceland what wethu bathi baninki. Always vele they had ama problems, angithi they had bedroom problems because uSiponelo did say ukuthi banokuhlala boma 5 months bangathintani, understand about cheat umfana. So that is the huge problem emshadweni. You cannot ukuthi uhlala nomuntu wakho more than 3 months, even more than a week. Ningayenzi next, akunanto enifastelayo, akunanto eniyenzayo, they are not working hard, just nje akekho attracted to you. Bangaye ku Love Iceland what of Live Island what that show yabona. And it could have been the best couple maybe there because of their age, abantwana, and uGayi una a lot of good characters. Angithi but nje I wanna lie, I pray for i-relationship kaNelisa. I pray ukuthi uNelisa be happy because uNelisa uye there to find husband, of which he did. And the only thing now uSiponelo mele ayenze ukudivorce the husband, or the only thing uNelisa mele advise uGayi, of which I don't want her ukuthi angene kakhulu. I wouldn't wish ukuthi angene kakhulu to this relationship yabo. uThemba need to divorce uSiponelo, but share whatever they share, then they move on. Because I really don't understand ukuthi why Siponelo will go there athi ufuna ukuthipha uNelisa, even though uNelisa aphendule ngengcondo yomuntu ongahlanganiphanga naye. But ungithipha kanjani now? Because things are not going your way now, so on the show. I guess that's been fair. But again, I know but so you have your own opinion. Please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.